What is up, y'all? If this is your first video tuning into this series, this is my $500 G35 that I am in the process of rebuilding, fixing up, and modding. And I'm going to have a budget. I can't wait to tell y'all how much the budget is so you guys understand like how much I did this for. Because this car is actually, you're able to work in these cars for so surprisingly cheap that it's like almost crazy, y'all. Like, it's actually pretty crazy how cheap you can do this car. But anyways, y'all, so right now today, I'm in the process of wrapping the car. I'm outside now, so obviously, at this point, you guys already seen the wrap color. You guys seen like, my little reaction. I was happy. I'm not gonna lie. The car is gray. It's not the best. There's some stuff like this and this, and the front bumper is a different color. But I'm gonna wrap the whole car, y'all. So just watch this. I never wrapped the car before. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time, completely being honest. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Am I gonna figure it out? Maybe. Am I gonna still do it? Yeah. All right, y'all. So I started today off with actually applying Bondo to all the damaged parts, and I try to like fix those dents. I completely don't know what I'm doing, and I never did Bondo work before, so it looks pretty bad. But I'm gonna try to save it. Keyword on try. I'm gonna show y'all what happened. All right, so as you see here, like it's going pretty good. It's not too bad. It looks flat. I am sanding it down to smooth it out with the actual panel of the car in each area. This side looks completely horrible. I did mess up like the whole thing basically because it doesn't look flat at all, y'all. Like as y'all see, like it's rough and it's gonna look like that under the wrap. So I had to fix all of this. For the back area, I just left it. Honestly, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna come back, put more Bondo. But as you see, like I try to break out some tools. I try to be smart, try to be innovative. I try to like cut pieces down as much as I can. I just don't got the tools for this, y'all, and I was just getting too tired. So instead of me just sitting here telling y'all about this, we're just gonna skip to the good part. All right, y'all. It's getting pretty dark, actually, not gonna lie, but I got it pretty smooth. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it looks a little rough. I'm gonna hit it with some filler primer, and we're gonna sand it back down again after the filler primer. And I should fill in some of these gaps that y'all see here, but it's pretty smooth. Like I can run my fingernail. I get caught right here, actually, but my fingernail don't get caught, so it's all right. This one, it's not too bad. It's okay. This one is bad. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. If y'all want the proper way to do this, y'all, make sure when you use the filler that you actually like make it smooth. Like try to like really like push it on with a firm pressure and smooth it out. Don't leave these little gaps like I did. Rookie mistake kind of things, but it does look pretty bad. Like fingernail stuck. This side. Oh, fingernail is getting kind of stuck over here too, actually. Uh-oh. This might not be that good. We're gonna see. For now. Oh, I dropped it. Got this little blowgun. Alright, yeah, so while I'm taking a blowgun to blow some of the dust off, I'm gonna tell you guys that instead of going through the wrap process like thoroughly and like making it like a full 1 hour, 2 hour video, I'm gonna cut a lot of this stuff down and condense it. So I'm gonna show you guys everything kind of shortened and fast through the process. We're gonna speed through all of this, and if there's anything important, I'll stop and tell you guys a little bit more. All right, y'all. So I got a good amount done. You see, I'm working the quarter pound right now. I'm gonna take a break, and I'm gonna do a little bit off camera just cause like me sitting here just showing y'all the same thing over and over, pulling, smoothing, heat gun, pulling, smoothing. It's gonna take a lot. It's just a lot back and forth, back and forth. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Give you guys like a little taste of what my process and what it's like is. If you guys do want a video of how to actually wrap a car, maybe later down the road I'll do a video like when I learn more, a little bit more experience and whatnot, how to semi-professionally wrap a car. But right now, y'all, I'm gonna take a break. Let me show y'all the finished quarter panel. Y'all, we are here. We're finally here. That's like, I took a little bit, but all I gotta do now is we're gonna tuck it, heat up those edges, make sure everything's like folded underneath. And we could actually cut it. And y'all, we're gonna have a finished quarter panel. Besides a minor mistake, right here. This right here got stretched right there, and I kind of like messed up. So what I'm gonna do is like how like the Porsche style, like they would have like that extra layer like right here. We're gonna put an extra layer right here, make it look like it's just like a protective, quote unquote layer. But anyways, right now, yo, we're gonna go all around all these edges, heat everything up, make sure everything's tucked. We're gonna cut it, fold it in, whatever, and we can actually have a finished quarter panel. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Especially because I get to put the taillight back in now. So hopefully this color look good. We're gonna see. I haven't. This is like the most I get to see like the color on the car. So let's see. I'm gonna get there right now. Let's get these edges done. All right, y'all. I finally come to the point. I messed up. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't miss this right here. I can't fix it because there's something stuck underneath this, and it's like pulling on it. So I'm probably gonna have to cut this low key. Well, I forget that. That's not important. Anyways, though, look at that. Look at that. Look at that seam. Even the tuck on the inside. There's some mistakes, but it's all right. It's all right. This door had to tuck it under here because I had a lot of extra pieces, and I got lazy. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. But door closes on it. Seal is still showing. Looks OEM. Still looking OEM. Just a little stuff. It's still looking OEM. Even the trunk seal. The whole quarter. Whole quarter is done, but that little tiny part. But I already told y'all I'm gonna put the little rock panel cover thing in there. I'm gonna take one out. That panel that's for that back area there is done, but I'm gonna wait until I wrap the rear bumper, then put that panel on. The taillight's not in. I guess I could put the taillight in just for now and see how it looks. Let's see how the taillight looks. Yeah, scrap the taillight. Oh boy! Don't ever throw your taillights out. I just throw them up just to catch them, but it's all right. You know what I'm doing? I'm a professional. You guys are not professionals. All right. I'm so glad I tucked enough behind those seals because they really do show. Like, there's like a little bit of a gap. Is there supposed to be a gap? Let me look at this one. Oh, it's not supposed to be a gap. Hold on, bro. Why is there a gap in mine? What's tweaking, bro? Oh, mine is not even. Oops. There we go. There we go. I mean, it still look a little bit gap, but it's all right. Look at that. Hey, bro. You need some lotion, man. What? Hey. Hold on. Bro, I wish this door was done so I could like see the whole color on one side of the car. But yeah, it's looking pretty spicy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking pretty spicy right now. I'm gonna go off, y'all, and wrap a whole bunch more of the car off camera, just cause like it's a little bit of a lot just to like have the camera and trying to wrap some stuff. And also I want to have some music playing cause y'all doing this like staying outside it get boring, and trust me, y'all don't want to be standing here just bored trying to wrap a car because you're gonna feel it. Like you're gonna sit here and be like, bro, it's taking forever, it's boring. But with the music playing, I got little tunes on, you know what I'm saying? I'm vibing, and yeah, I don't know. I ain't gonna tell you what music I'm listening to because that's a little weird. Y'all don't need to know that. But anyways, I'm just vibing out here, y'all. So next thing that I do gotta do is the front bumper, rear bumper. After those two things, I'm probably gonna move on to the trunk, roof. But oh my god, the door! I forgot about the door. Y'all gotta do the door too. Oh my god. We'll see when we get done. I'll probably do some stuff tonight. I'm tired. I'm gonna get something to eat. All right, y'all. So right now I'm on the final steps of just sanding everything down and getting it flat, so that when I do actually put the wrap over it, it's smooth. I'm finishing it up the bumper, and then I went to the door. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't save this part too much, and I started taking off some paint, and I started seeing like bare metal, and I was like, yo, I don't think I should see that. So I had to like just finesse the little top layer and just call it a day with some sandpaper come in there. But it came out pretty good, y'all. Bro, but y'all, look at this big brain moment right there. So you see how I just mapped with the paper of that whole like arch or the door. Then I drew on the actual wrap itself. And I was able to go cut everything out, make sure I had enough for all the panels, the doors, the quarter. Like y'all, I finessed with that one, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that was a really good smart idea. Had enough of the doors. Then I was able to make sure I had enough of the fenders, make sure I had enough of the quarter panel. Then I had that whole that whole swooping area that covers the from the quarter to the front above the door. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't even know what I'm talking, y'all. Let me just show y'all what happened. Yo, what is up, y'all? First of all, I got a cut mid-vid. That's crazy. Anyways, second of all, yo, I'm so happy right now, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. The car, I'm not gonna lie, the car's not done. The car is not finalized, but it's done for now because I can't do much right now because I kind of ran out of wrap. But I'm gonna show you all what the car looks like right now. And the car it looks pretty good, but I have one final touch I gotta add. As y'all see, I installed the bumper, put it in the grill. The headlights not yet. I'm waiting for the headlights to still dry. I gotta wet sand them and then wax them. But we got a new logo. Well, I didn't get a new logo. I have the same logo. Don't look too much at the details, y'all. Just look at it from the distance. You're gonna. Fuck. It's not. There we go. From the distance, y'all. I can't look too close. There's some minor imperfections, but I gotta cut that little bottom trim right there, the little wrap right there. Gotta cut that. It's just hanging off right now. But that blue logo looks sick, y'all. With the black grill, painted black grill, blue logo, car is blue. Let's do a walk around. Let's do a walk around right now. Got this side looking good. Missing the rockers. I know. Gotta get to those rockers soon. Gotta touch with these little trim pieces. Did do this off camera. Little carbon fiber wrap there. Side pillars is done. Roof's not done. The rear. Let's look at the rear. Let's look at this. Look at this car's butt. Like, pretty good. Something that did pop up is I realized there was a second one of these lights tucked in. Fly. And I realized that the bracket here broke. Y'all probably can't see it on camera, but the bracket that holds these lights in is broken, so I gotta order a new bracket. But it's cool. They do have two of them. I guess that's cool. Rear is done. I am ordering a new trunk logo to cover this. There's a hole right here and somewhere else. There's another hole. There's two holes somewhere. One there, one there. Those holes are going to hold the new truck emblem, so I'm going to put a new one right here. I'm going to get that one in silver, actually. I'm not going to do the blue on blue for that one. So we'll get that. This side looks purple. Like, it's crazy. This is purple right here. Then you come over here. This is blue. Then you look at this with the sun on it. This is blue. So it's a little crazy, low key. I think that's it, actually. That's what we got so far. Like I said, some few other things. Y'all. There's some minor things I gotta get done, y'all. A lot of touches that need to be done as well. Let's see, off the top of my head, headlights need to be put back in, of course. Actually, the headlights will actually probably be done tonight, so I might be able to put those in tomorrow morning, then do the B-roll for y'all, so I can really see the car, like, almost finally put together. The roof is gonna be done soon. I'm gonna order that. The front does need grill vents, right there. I keep saying I need to stop saying y'all. Anyways, That bottle grill vet, I am ordering that as well. I'm gonna get a universal one because the one specific for this car, I'm not paying the bread for those. Somebody's gonna get a universal grill vent. In the rear, nothing new. This, I do got a surprise for this one. I got some new side markers for this car. I'll let y'all know. I did do an amber delete, but I'm waiting for those to come. Trim right here on this little side. This is still gray. This one is done. This is like the only trim piece. This is the only trim piece that's actually done, actually. Because the rest of them, they're wrapped, but they're not like tucked. I didn't tuck those edges in. What was that? Oh boy, it just seemed like a bird pooped my car. But anyways, moving on. So let's walk to the back. Let me see what I got missing. Actually, nothing else. Yeah, nothing else missing, y'all. After this, I do got some more things to do for the car. I'm going to be going to a little bit of maintenance. I'm probably not going to record it too much because, like, I mean, maintenance is kind of boring, to be honest. I got to do some spark plugs, ignition coils, so, you know, air filter, full tune-up stuff. Just going to get that stuff done before, like, I do anything else with the car. And I'm not going to lie, y'all. I have 2 people interested in the car. I'm really interested, and I can't drive 2 cars around up here. I'm still in college, y'all, so realistically, there's no need for me to have 2 cars, and I can't see me selling the G37, to be honest. Like, I couldn't sell the 37 for the 35 sedan. Nothing like it's saying like a downgrade, nothing. I just personally couldn't do it, just because, like, you know, I've had that car way longer, and that car is faster. Oh man, it's just a little faster, and it's way less than miles too. My car's way less than miles, yo. I'll tell y'all, I haven't even hit 100K in miles, y'all. Keep it a buck. I haven't even hit 100K, and I'm probably gonna graduate college before I even hit 100K. I got a really low miles. Yeah, y'all. There's a couple more things for this car. Like I said, this is the end of the video. If you stuck around this far, I can tell you the little tidbit things. Like I said, the side markers will come in. I was gonna do new headlights. I didn't do the new headlights. I was gonna do suspension, y'all. Keep it a buck. I was gonna slam this car. Like, I didn't slam my G because, like, you know, I drive my car more often, but I was gonna slam this car, like, full on stance scene on the ground. But one of the people who want to buy it wants to buy it without any suspension work done. I guess they want to do their own setup. I don't know if they're going to do bags or coils, whatever they want to do. Shit, damn, fly just got on me, bro. Almost bit me. But I don't know what they're going to do. But they want to do something, so they're asking to buy it without suspension done. And I'm like, damn, I want to get suspension, but you know what? As much as I'm doing these videos, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not just doing these videos just for the sake of, like, oh my god, I'm trying to be the biggest YouTuber. Nah, like, I'm generally just having fun, learning a lot of process of this stuff. I've never done majority of this stuff. Well, yeah, I never painted seats before. I never wrapped the car. I think that's probably it. That's the only things I actually done in this car that I haven't done before. Really, I've done a lot of stuff before on different cars, but I just want to document this process a little bit with y'all. Show y'all, you know, what's up. If I had any questions as well, I answer those questions. It's just fun, y'all. Like, real talk, it's just fun. Like, I just enjoy doing this. Like, if the person wants me not to do the suspension, I'm not gonna say, oh, my viewers want me to do suspension. Nah, like, it's all right, bro. You know, and we'll see if he pays the price that I want, yo. I'm not gonna lie. I'm fine without doing suspension because his price is more than it would have cost me to sell with this new suspension on it anyway. So we'll see. Anyways, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in this video. It was a little bit of a weird one, a little bit all over the place, but I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like down below. Comment, yo. Let me know your thoughts, y'all. Just tell me, just tell me your thoughts. Like, I don't care what it is, yo. Even if you're like, yo, I'm bored right now and it's a Friday night and I got nothing to do. Yo, let me know your thoughts, y'all. Anyways, peace.